Good afternoon. Okay, so this is I'm just going to walk you through how to start these elevations in case you don't know or don't quite understand. So, as you can see from here, uh, I drew the ground level or grade. Then I went up 6 inches and I did the floor line, same as this step that's going to be outside of what this porch is. And then I used my T-square and extended this down, or T-square with triangle, extended this down. So you're going to pull everything from the floor plan view. All right. And you can see I have a big picture window here because this is a living area. And you have master bedroom here. So these are probably going to be up a little bit higher. So after I did this, then the next step is as you can see from here, you take, and I put in the door, okay, up 6 feet 9 inches. And then I drew this line straight across because all three of these windows are going to line up with this. And then I pulled the widths of the windows right down from this floor plan view. Then you have to look, you can either look it up or you can probably get from right here, you can measure from here up to see for the living area and the bedroom. They kind of don't change. Sometimes the bedrooms are a little bit higher up, but you can look up to see what those are. Or you can just go off of these and you can put the bottoms on for the windows. Door, you can probably start doing detail. Or after I did the windows, then I start planning out where the roof is going to go. This looks like they did a 712 on one side, and you can see it has this intersecting gable or cross gabled roof. So I would put that on my, probably going to put it on this master bedroom area because I believe this is bigger. Whichever one is bigger is what you're probably going to do, which is what I did here. So you can see I added the ceiling line, like we talked about. Yes, I actually put the top of the roof in as well. I used my pitch. I used the guide on the floor plan template, the architectural template it has there, and it'll have a 712 pitch. So I found this little point right here and did my 712, did my 1 foot overhang. And it looks like I'm probably going to add on, go up from here 6 inches. Or maybe I'm going to go down over 6 inches and then down 6 inches and then connect these. Let's see. Which is what it looks like I did. I went down 6 inches right here, down 6 inches from here, and put this on. That's the symbol for asphalt shingles. You can see I did sliders here. I didn't actually put the arrows on though. Fixed picture window. I did some detailing on my door, and then I added 6-inch siding, wood siding onto the side of my house. So that's kind of then I filled it in with color. But that's kind of the process for how you do this. You start here, basically a little bit at a time. You just pull down from the top and then use what you already know, what you've learned from these chapters about layouts and symbols and things like that of what to put on, and then erase what you don't need anymore.